Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? So, today we will learn bird's name and you have to repeat after me. Alright? So, let's start. Pigeon. Repeat. Pigeon. Hen. Say hen. Sparrow. Repeat. Sparrow. Ostrich. Please repeat after me. Ostrich. Hummingbird. Say hummingbird. Rooster or cock. Please repeat. Rooster or cock. Kite. Say kite. Eagle. Repeat after me. Eagle. Duck. Please repeat. Duck. Penguin. Say penguin. Owl. Repeat. Owl. Parrot. Please repeat. Parrot. Maina. Please repeat. Maina. Swallow. Repeat. Swallow. Crow. Repeat. Crow. Peacock. Please repeat. Peacock. Peahen. Please repeat. Peahen. Swan. Repeat. Swan. Crane. Repeat it. Crane. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, bye bye and take care.